In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently link pages within Webflow to enhance the connectivity of your website. Linking pages is a fundamental aspect of web design, allowing users to navigate smoothly between different sections of your site. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to start by selecting the element that you want to use as the hyperlink. This could be a button, some text, or any clickable element that fits into your design layout. It's important to pick an element that clearly indicates to users that they can interact with it, like buttons labeled with action words or highlighted text. Once you've selected your element, turn your attention to the right side panel in your Webflow workspace, known as the Element Settings panel. This area houses a variety of settings where you can customize your element's functionality. Here you'll want to locate the Link Settings option, which may initially be unselected. Click on this Link Settings dropdown, which offers you several linking options. For our purposes, you'll want to select Page. This tells Webflow that you intend to create a link to another page within your website rather than linking to an external URL or a different type of resource. After selecting Page, a new list will appear that contains all the pages currently existing in your project. This list is crucial as it provides a clear view of all your available destination pages. It's designed to keep the linking process straightforward, allowing you to easily pick and choose where you want your viewers to go next. Carefully review this list and select the page that you wish to link to. It's a good idea to double-check your choice to ensure it's the correct destination and that the page you are linking to is live and accessible to your site visitors. This step of verification helps prevent errors that could disrupt the user experience on your site. Once you select your destination page from this list, Webflow automatically creates the hyperlink for you. It's a seamless process that ties the selected element to your chosen page, ensuring that when users click on it, they're directed exactly where you want them to go. In terms of final touches, consider testing the newly created link in preview mode to confirm everything works as expected. This testing phase can catch any potential issues and gives you the peace of mind that your website is functioning correctly. And there you have it, a complete guide to linking pages within Webflow. With these steps, you can enhance the functionality of your site and provide a more intuitive navigation experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.